Hey guys, today I am so super excited about this video. We are trying out the new LA Girl Tinted Foundation Buildable Natural Finish. This is $8.99. They have 16 shades. I got this in store at Ulta. Of course, they have it online as well. But I'm so excited about this one. You guys see, it looks gorgeous on the skin. I cannot wait to see how it wears. But let me tell you what this says. It says it blurs imperfections, hydrates the skin with a sheer to medium wash of color. It says using the LA Girl Tinted Foundation for the perfect no makeup routine. So you can get up to medium coverage. It says it has a nozzle tip and it's buildable, it hydrates, and it's fragrance free. I do like how they came out with 16 shades. A lot of drugstore foundations, especially with their lighter coverage foundations, they really skimp on shade range. So I love that they came out with 16 shades. You guys know I'm all about LA Girl eyeshadow palettes, so I was so excited when I seen this guy. I went straight to Ulta. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new here, I always want to let you guys know I use all natural lighting. You're gonna see my skin, my redness, rosacea, dark spots, everything, and you're gonna see how this little baby covers it. So I hope you enjoy, and let's go ahead and hop in. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and apply this. I'm gonna start with a brush. This is in the shade Tan, if I didn't say that in the intro. I know I'm bad for that from time to time. So let's go ahead. I like the applicator to where I don't even have to rub it or anything. I'm just gonna put a little bit for now. I have my skincare on, of course. Okay, we'll start there. I'm gonna use a brush first. There's a little left there, so we're gonna rub that on. So let's use a brush first, see what we end up with. This says it can be from sheer to medium coverage. It's one of those, I mean, we've seen tons of those at this point. Oh, I already have lashes on, but that was it. When I'm doing a lighter look and I know I'm not gonna do eyeshadow, I like to just go ahead and throw lashes on. Blending out nicely. I really like the way that's looking so far. I would definitely agree it's light coverage. We will see if we can build it, of course. I'm gonna use a sponge on the forehead just to see. It may sheer it out a little too much, I don't know. But I don't need a whole lot of coverage on the forehead, so we'll go ahead and try a sponge anyway. A sponge definitely sheers it out, but I kind of like a more sheer application on the forehead. All right, nose, I'll go ahead and just use the sponge as well. I know we're gonna have to build it on the nose. I need coverage on the nose. Beautiful finish so far. It's supposed to have a natural finish, so I like it still keeps some of the glow there. So we'll do a second layer on the cheek area and the nose. That's really where I need the most coverage. This is thicker, which I tend to prefer, but it's not like crazy thick or anything like that. And then we'll go back to the brush and really try to concentrate it in the areas where I need coverage. Okay, definitely builds up. Ooh, I'm liking this so far, you guys. Oof, that looks really good. You guys know I love the LA Girl eyeshadow palettes, so I'm hoping this does not disappoint. And it is not so far. Feels very nice on the skin, very light. Let me try pushing this onto the nose again. I don't think it'll cover it completely because, I mean, it normally takes full coverage to cover that spot on my nose. I'm just gonna run the sponge over everything. Pick up any excess product we have on the skin. Guys, I am loving the way this is looking. Wow. Skincare was a bit glowier, so if you don't have glowier skincare on, you may not have as much glow as I have, but I love this finish. I love it. I do think it built up pretty nicely. I would say we have light medium coverage, but it evened out the skin tone. Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this one. So I am going to go ahead, throw a little bit of concealer on, finish up the rest of the face, and then we will be right back. Okay, lovelies, we are back. I am so excited about this one, you guys. It looks gorgeous on the skin. I love the way it looked. I didn't set anywhere except for my under eyes. It was a little bit tacky when I first started putting other products on. I did use cream, so I didn't have to set the face, but it doesn't feel tacky or sticky or one of those that your hair just, you know, just sticks to it. So it's not one of those. I'm happy about that, but it looks gorgeous. I would still say it's probably light medium coverage, but with everything on, you just look very put together, but it's not heavy. It's not cakey or creasy. It didn't accentuate my pores at all or my smile lines, which I am ecstatic about. It just looks overall wonderful. Wonderful. So I am going to go about my day. I have a lot to do today, so we're gonna do a nice long wear test on this guy, but I will see you guys later on tonight. And I am, no joke, this has me so excited because I've been trying to find a drugstore product that is comparable to MAC Face and Body. And I'm not saying that this is a dupe for MAC Face and Body or anything like that. I'm gonna have to continue to wear it, but it does show some similarities. So I'm so excited about this. But yeah, I will see you guys later on tonight. Overlook my hair. It's been 95 degrees here with humidity that would blow your socks off. So it just, bloop, you know, it's just a frizz ball. So it has been 10 hours and you guys, I am ecstatic about this foundation. Ecstatic. I love it. I think it really did smooth over the skin, and I don't think I really talked about that enough. It really did. It just smooths over the skin. It's beautiful. It did not break apart. It did not settle in my smile lines a whole lot. And I mean, 10 hours and of me sweating profusely, you guys. I mean, sweating. Like, legit, look at this. Look at all this frizz, and it's, ugh. That's how sweaty I was. Like, it was bad. And this still looks so fresh. I wouldn't mind to wear this another 4 or 5, 6 hours, honestly. It does not look like it has been on anywhere near 10 hours. So I highly recommend this. $9, you guys, $9. And it was this good. It wore so well, and that's without being set. I did not put powder over this, and it lasted so beautifully. I'll leave it on until I go to bed. You guys know I always wash my face at night. So I'll leave it on before I go to bed. I'll take it off. So we'll probably get a good 14 hours, maybe 15 out of this. And I'll let you guys know if at any point it does start to break down. So if it does, I will let you know, but no matter what, I highly recommend this. You guys need to check this out if you're in the market for a light medium coverage foundation that feels beautiful on the skin, very light. I will compare it to MAC Face and Body. I need to wear it several more times and get far more familiar with it. But no matter what, even if it's different than Face and Body, I love this. Like, I can go ahead and tell you that with certainty. I love this. So yeah, I'm gonna hush because I could keep going on and on about this. But yes, love, 5 stars out of this one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.